Innal hamdalillah thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We welcome everyone once again to Halal Dollars free training and coaching program. In this video, inshallah, we are going to be learning how to create our gray account. The gray account enables you to receive payments online. Unlike the cheaper account that allows you to pay online, this gray account allows you to receive foreign currency online. It actually gives you a United States bank account number that will enable you to receive US dollars. So, and from that account, you can actually withdraw into your Nigerian Naira account. So that's what this gray account is for. So for you to be able to download the gray app, all you need to do is go to halaldollars.ng/gray. You can also click on the link in the description of this video. We are going to also have the link there for you to download it. So once you've clicked on the link, it's going to prompt you to download the app, and you then download the app from Google Play Store. Once you are done downloading the app, what you're going to do is click on the create account. So you'll be on the screen like this, and you click on create account. So I'm going to click on create account. So when you click on create account, it's going to ask for your personal information. So I'm going to input my personal information quickly. So just like the cheaper, a number sent to your mail. So I've clicked on it and that's verified it. So it's going to ask me to finish up my upload. So it's going to ask me for other information. So my address, I'm going to type in my address. So my location, I'm in Nigeria. State, Lagos. The city, I'm going to write the city too. So it's going to ask you to upload a copy of your utility bill. So you're going to upload it too. So I'm going to upload mine too. So now that that is done, so it's going to take you to this step that you're almost done. So here too, you are going to be required to verify your national ID. So you either need your driver's license, your national ID, or your international passport. So you just click on next, and it will prompt you to verify. So just like the way we did for cheaper, you click here to upload the document, and you're also going to click here to record a short selfie video. So the short selfie video will show your face. So I'm going to be doing mine, and once I'm done with mine, I would continue the video. So once you are done with your verification, it's going to ask you to create a PIN. So I'm going to create my PIN now. So once you have a foreign account, you can easily withdraw your money into your Nigerian Naira account. So what you just need to do is come here. For example, if they've sent any money to you, maybe in your USD, it's going to show your balance. You just click on swap funds. You click here, you click on swap funds. So when you swap funds, you are going to choose the account you want to withdraw money from, maybe your USD, and you choose the Naira account. So once you click on the amount you want to swap, and it's going to swap it into, let's say I click on $50,000. So it's telling me that this $50,000 is going to be equivalent to 41 million naira. So that's the amount I'm going to be swapping into my account. So once I am done with that, I'll just click on continue. So once it's done with it, I'll just go back to my Nigerian account, and then I can click on send money, and I'll choose a beneficiary and I'll send it to myself. If it's a new account, I'll click on choose new recipient, and I'm going to choose the account details and the amount. So I'm going to write the amount I want to send, and let's say I want to send 100,000 or 1 million, for example. So I want to send 1 million. So it's telling me that the charges they will reduce from it is 35. So I'm not going 35 naira. So I'm going to receive 999,000. So I'm going to choose the account. So I'll pick access, for example, and I would write the account number that I want. So, and once I'm done, it will load the account that I'm sending, just like a normal transfer. You click on continue, and once that is done, it's going to, it usually takes between 12 to 15 hours for it to drop. Sometimes it's usually less than that, in less than 3 hours, depending on the time you send it. So you're going to have the money in your account. So this is basically the process that it involves for you to receive your money in dollars, and for you to then receive it in naira that you can spend in your bank account without leaving the comfort of your home. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.